Hello friends, in this video we will be writing the Verilog code for the 4-bit counter. Okay, now for 4-bit counter, what are the ports we require? We require an enable, that means whenever enable is 1 then only our counter should work, and whenever the enable is 0 our counter should not work, and a clock which triggers the count, that means whenever there is a positive edge or the negative edge of the clock then only the count should increase, and also the reset pin which is used to reset the counter, and what more, and the output. So these are the 4 ports. One is the count, which is the output, and the inputs are the clock, enable, and reset. These are the 4 ports we require for the 4-bit counter. And now let's go for the port declarations, whether as an input or output. Input ports are clock, enable, reset. These are our ports, and our output port is the count, and it has to be of a reg data type. Why? Because the count needs to be stored whenever there is no clock pulse, so it has to be a reg data type. And in particular it has to be a vector. Why? Because we require a 4-bit count, it has to be a vector. Now we are done with the port declarations. Let me write the comment. Port declarations. After the port declarations we are counter, 4-bit counter. We are starting the 4-bit counter. Okay, we will be using the always block. Always at the rate passage of clock or passage of reset. What does this mean? Whenever there is a transition of the clock from a 0 to 1, which is the positive edge of the clock, or whenever there is a transition from 0 to 1 in case of a reset, or execution, or counter should work. Okay, let's write the begin and end statements. So in between these two statements we need to write this. Begin and end is a sequential statements. We need to group the statements inside this. Now first we need to check if reset. If reset, I mean whenever the reset is 1, the counter needs to be set to 0. So count equal to, we're specifying a constant, so 4 bits in binary, and the value is 0000. Else if when there is a enable, look, we are using the enable because there has to be space. We are using the enable because our counter has to count only when there is enable. It has to not count when there is no enable. So count equal to count plus, which is a 4 bits binary 0001. So every time it has to go up by 1, and that's it. You can save this and synthesize. If any errors we can detect and solve. Oh, I made a mistake. Here it is CLOCK. Okay, the synthesis is successful. That means from our the Verilog description, it was able to create the a gate level description. This is the gate RTL schematic. That's it for this video. Thank you.